this is how Sarah chops wood. She makes a mess. I'm a horrible, horrible woodcutter. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are out in the desert and getting in some camping after a long and crazy week. Andy's not feeling the greatest, but that's okay because we're getting away and we're going to enjoy the beautiful weather. It's kind of cloudy. Got a great camp spot. And we are just going to take some time to chill and relax, recuperate, and take you along on the journey today. We got all situated in our camp spot, and now Andy and I are just taking a little break, chilling, eating a few of our good little snacks. You know, we love our jerky, the stuff we've found to be our new favorite, because we liked Trappers, but oh my gosh, Trappers is getting to be about $20 a bag. That's ridiculous. So this we find at the local grocery store called Safeway, and it's $11.99. Not bad. And it's got some pretty decent ingredients and good stuff. And then we're just having some prunes and our vitamins and all the goodies, all the good little snacks. It's pretty windy out. I don't know if you heard that earlier, but we are going to just relax, take a break, set up a little campfire here shortly, and see what else the night brings. Oh, look at this. This is the true beauty in the desert right here. Look at that. That is an Arizona fishhook cactus. Isn't that beautiful? Those pretty flowers. You can kind of see how the prickers, they just go out and form this cool hook. I think I got some prickers in my, yep, all kinds of prickers. They're gonna go in the fire pit. See, look at those clusters of prickers. You go over there to look at something beautiful, and what do you get? Prickers. Ow. I know.
That's what's fun.
I get to have the fun. Ow.
Ooh, that's dog poo.
Dog poop. Lots of dog.
Holy crap, how long were the people out here? There's dog crap everywhere.
Holy crap, there's crap everywhere.
Oh.
Yeah, it's almost like they were shooting up something too. Look out for snakes. It's so pretty out here.
It's definitely greening up. So that right there, my friends, is Superstition Mountain. We're going to find the gold.
Yeah. And recently there was the cougar shadow on the mountain, on Superstition Mountain. So you could see it right from where we live, right around sunset. And it was, what is today? Today is the 28th. So it was just a handful of days ago that it was in prime peak. Very cool to see.
Yeah, look at how green it's gotten out.
Yeah, and there's all kinds of other things, cool things you can see on the mountain too. Like someone pointed out to us, you can see the words ice. And what was the other one? Like some duck or something?
My Birds of Paradise shirt on.
Yeah, you're so colorful.
I'm the hummingbird whisperer today.
Are you? Were they attacking your shirt?
Yeah.
Man, it is gorgeous out here. Oh, you got a pricker on your shoe. See when you go for walks? Oh, you have a little friend. A little tag along.
What's really fun is when they stick to your dirt bike tire and fling up. Can you just step on it a little bit?
Then it's going to be stuck to my shoe. Oh, that's not going to work. Here. All right. Well, hopefully the wind cooperates with us because we are going to have a little fire. And believe it or not, this is like my first go at starting my own fire. You know, the men like doing it. I think that's pretty typical anywhere. So we got a few like little pieces. So I don't know if I'm going to use the axe or not. Maybe I should try, huh? Try and use the axe and see if I'm good at it or not. I think this one down here might be a good one to try the axe on. I don't know. We'll see. It's kind of at an angle. But these other ones might be trouble. So, all right. We'll get that out. And we'll get this out. And we need the lighter. We're going to light this puppy. Give her a whirl. You know, ladies, we have to do this kind of stuff too, because if we were ever like stranded without our men, what would we do? It is not wanting to light.
It's because you're in the wind. You got to get it in there.
Ah! Of course, my little teepee falls down.
They're awfully big pieces.
I know, they're pretty big, but they should work. You know, there's some other little slivers and pieces in here that I could throw in there. Along with it. I'm sure I'm not the best fire starter in the world. But hey, if it works, it works. Oof, I'm a lefty. Ooh, that is a solid hunk of burning love. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to do this. Yeah. More power. It's starting to split. Holy macaroni. I finally did it. I'm getting a lot of smoke, so I need to like resituate myself here. This is how Sarah chops wood. She makes a mess, right? I'm a horrible, horrible woodcutter.
Good morning. What a beautiful day in the desert. Just having my coffee and gonna just enjoy the day of more peace and more relaxation. All right, do I got everything? Yep, check. Hey everyone, thanks for coming along on this journey. We hope you enjoyed. God bless America. Stay tuned and let's get out of here.
Hey, where are you going? You forgot about me.